Hello, in this video I'll be talking about operators and booleans in C. So, what are operators? Operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. So, there are different types of these operators. There are arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication, and division. There are relational operators such as less than or greater than. There are logical operators such as or and. There are assignment operators when you assign values to variables. And there are also operators like incrementation, decrementation, and others. So let's start off with using our preprocessor directive, which is include stdio.h and then int main for our main method. I'll create an int a with a value of 5, and I'll also create an int b with the value of 9, and I'll return 0. So let's say I want to add a and b. So I'll do printf percent %d a plus b. Now they should print out the sum of 9 and 5, which is 14. Similarly, we can also do subtraction. So you get 5 minus 9 is minus 4. We can also do multiplication with the asterisk operator, and we get 9 times 5, which is 45. This slash is called the integer division operator. It returns the quotient of 5 divided by 9. So if we run this, we get 0. This is because 5 divided by 9 is a fraction and it has 0 as its quotient place. To get the remainder of this, we will use the modulus operator, which is the percent sign. When I run this, I get 5 as my remainder when dividing 5 by 9. Now, if I divide b by a and get the remainder, I'll get 4. And if I use integer division, I'll get 1. Now, this is about operators with integers. Let's say we had floats such as 5.0 and a float 9.0. As you can see, when we divide 9 by 5, we get the exact value as a decimal, which is 1.8. Similarly, if we divide a by b, which is 5 by 9, we get 0.555556, and it has rounded up this value for us. Now, what about characters? Let's say I had some characters like capital A, and I'll use another character, the exclamation point. Can we add characters? Now, when I run this, it prints the value B. This is because it adds the ASCII values of capital A and the exclamation point, and that value has the ASCII value of B. So if I check, ASCII value of A is 65 and the ASCII value of an exclamation point is 33. So when we add these together, we get 98, which is B, the ASCII value of B. That is why we get B when we print this out. Now that is about operators, arithmetic operators. Next will be uh, relational operators. So I'll replace int a with 5 and int b with 9 again. So I want to use a less than b. What will this print out? When we run, it prints out 0.000. This is because we are checking if a is less than b. And for that, we have to use a data type called Boolean. And we need to include Boolean in our preprocessor directives. So we'll use include std stdbool.h. And now when we run this, we get 1. This is because a is indeed less than b, and so 1 means true. And let's say we replace less than with greater than, we get 0. So we get 1 as true and 0 as false. So Boolean is nothing but true or false, and true is represented by 1, false is represented by zeros. Those were relational operators, and there are other also operators like incrementation and decrementation. So let's say I want to print out the increment of a. So I'll use plus plus a. Now when I run this, I get 6. Similarly, the decrementation of a would be minus minus a, and it prints out 4. Those are the major types of operators and booleans in C. Thank you.